Alright guys, I just picked this up at Walmart. I got a blaster box of 2018 Topps Chrome. I've already done a box or two of these, as well as some of the fat packs. Can never have too much Chrome, so let's go ahead and rip into this, and hopefully we'll get an Ohtani rookie, or I'm looking for the Acuna rookie, or Ozzie Albies. So we get 7 packs plus a sepia pack. So wish me luck. Alright. I guess we'll do the sepia pack last. Get right into these. I've already pulled a couple of autographs out of them. A couple of the rookie autographs haven't hit anything great, so right off the bat we got Max Chicken Fried, Felix Jorge rookie, Jordan Montgomery, future star, I don't think so, and Justin Verlander. Second place in the Cy Young voting. Blake Snell won it, rightfully so, I think. Come on. Alright, we got, who is that guy? Roddy Reed, whatever. Aaron Judge. Max Chicken Fried X-Fractor. Those always look nice. Would be nice to get a different player though. And Joey 190 batting average Gallo. Alright, we got Brett Gardner diving head first. Jake Lamb Refractor. Didn't get to see much of him this year. He was hurt pretty much all season. Greg Bird and Eugenio Suarez, who had a breakout year for the Reds. Cole Hamels. Nice. I like those 35th anniversary 83 Topps design refractors. Aaron Judge. Superstar sensation Cody Bellinger. Those are nice looking inserts as well. And Jacob Faria, the Tampa Bay Rays. Got a Tyler O'Neill rookie for the Cardinals. Black and white refractor of Billy Hamilton. That looks interesting. Or I don't even know what they call that. Jameson Taillon and Justin Turner. Those are called negatives or something. Interesting looking. I prefer the colored refractors myself. Those ones you can't really even make out the player. I think they look kind of dumb. Alright, we got David Robertson, Austin Hayes, the Orioles rookie, a Willie Calhoun refractor rookie, and Kyle Schwarber. And last pack. Got Thomas Nido, Finding Nido, Ahmed Rosario, 35th anniversary refractor, Masahiro Tanaka, and Nolan Arenado. Alright. 4 sepia refractors in this little bonus pack here. Come on, let's get a good rookie. We got Nick Williams, rookie but not a good one. Victor Arano, rookie, Phillies. Noah Syndergaard, who's probably going to get traded. And Ryan Steroid Braun, who married a Playboy Playmate, I believe. So, alright. That was my little blaster box of Topps Chrome, and probably the last of the Chrome I'll open this year. So, hopefully my next break will be something vintage. I'm getting tired of all these new cards. I like to go old school. So, but anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.